Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how I made this amazing DIY oil for natural hair growth. In fact, massive hair growth. So if you want to see how I achieved this oil, do not go away, keep on watching. So here are the ingredients I'll be needing: my coconut oil, my avocado, aloe vera, and extra virgin olive oil. So now I'll be taking off the pin of the aloe vera from the side. You can decide to peel off the skin of your aloe vera, or you can just dice it up like that. It doesn't really matter. So now I'm just going to dice up my aloe vera into bits.
Was watching say boy you were stunting real G Lomo. I swear it is nothing but hard work, dedication, going through my education.
I'll peel off the skin of my avocado and dice it into bits also.
Mo fẹ́ come up with gbogbo goons mi ni mo gbé wá nǹkan tó wà lórí mi ó pọ̀ ju Santa's backpack mo kàn fẹ́ walk and drop hits back to back so tí n bá release on me boy better respect that.
So next I'll put everything in my food processor or my blender, whichever one you have. Now let's blend it. Note you don't have to add water while blending this. It's not easy, but with patience you can achieve a smooth paste. So I have finished blending. This is my consistency. So next I'll put a pot on my stove and add in like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And adding another 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
I'm not trying to have beef with nobody. I did my own lane. I don't send anybody, man.
Now leave the oil to heat up a bit and add in your paste, your blended paste. Try to stir at intervals in order to avoid it getting burnt. And make sure you cook on low heat. I added in a bit more oil. Now I'm going to let it cook for at least 15 to 20 more minutes until I notice that started going brownish. As you can see, it's almost ready. So the next thing is I'm just going to put this down and allow it to cool off. So after it has cooled down, I'm just going to get a strainer like this and strain out the oil from the shaft, just like I am doing now.
Yeah, man. Don't touch it.
I love the color of this oil. It's so rich for the hair, guys. I love this oil.
Make you watch how I rise.
So here is the shaft from the oil. You don't have to throw it away. You can always use it to deep condition your hair. So here is our oil. I'm just going to get a bottle or a container and pour it in. So this is the end result, and DIY natural avocado and aloe vera oil is ready. I do hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.